Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a Caprese sandwich. Start by slicing tomatoes about 1/4 inch thick and mozzarella to match. Layer basil leaves between tomato and cheese to protect bread from moisture. Lightly drizzle good olive oil and a splash of balsamic glaze, then season with salt and freshly ground black pepper. Press gently, slice on the diagonal, and serve immediately for best texture and flavor. In this video, I will show how to make a Caprese sandwich. Start by building a strong base: cheese, basil, tomato, then repeat if desired. Add 1 to 2 tsp olive oil and a light squeeze of balsamic over the top before seasoning. Use flaky salt so it dissolves slowly and freshly cracked pepper for aroma. Press lightly to meld the layers, but avoid overcompressing to keep textures distinct and satisfying. In this video, I will show how to make a Caprese sandwich. Quick recommendation: if you meal prep or save leftovers, grab those leak-proof containers for hassle-free storage and airtight freshness. They make clean lunches and pantry organization so much easier. If you like helpful kitchen tools, subscribe and like to support the channel and find more tips. Check the description for the product link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make a Caprese sandwich. Try simple swaps to keep things interesting: prosciutto for savory notes, pesto versus balsamic for herbaceous depth, or a smear of mustard for tang. Warm the sandwich briefly under a broiler for melty cheese, or press in a panini maker for crisp edges. Pair with a bright salad or soup and garnish with extra basil for a fresh finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.